Hello everyone, this is page 33 of Leila Fletcher Adult Piano Course 1, and we're going to be playing this song. It's in the key of G. If you look here, the key of G has one sharp. There's going to be a video on the cycle of fifth and cycle of fourth. So this is part of the cycle of fifth, which is one sharp, which is G. So, but that aside, the G here, the one sharp here is F. F is the one sharp. If you look here, it's F, okay? Both on the treble and the bass stuff. So let's hear what this sounds like. If you want to hear it also, you can go to this the channel. We put it on our YouTube channel, the one we play, but you can also go to this track 34 and track 35 in this. But this song is called the Yellow Rose of Texas. Let's see what it sounds like on the piano. So if I arrange my finger in this way, like in the middle C position, I should be able to play it. Okay. Thank you.